Kate here with WTI. Now, if I could hug the inventors of this Snuggle Puppy, I totally would. It is amazing. So we took our puppy home. The first 2 nights were very restless as he was crying and barking and really didn't like to be in his crate to sleep. By day 3, we got the Snuggle Puppy. The second we took it out of the package and turned on the little heartbeat, his little body just melted onto it. It was incredible. You can imagine that puppies are used to being with their litter mates. They pile on top of each other to sleep. So being alone to sleep can be really lonely. We are now at about a week and he goes into his crate with no fussing whatsoever. He walks right in. He lays with his little Snuggle Puppy and he sleeps all night right until morning with only 1 potty break in the middle. He'll go right back in his crate and go right back to sleep. This thing is an absolute lifesaver. All it is a stuffed animal. It comes in all kinds of colors, so you can match your puppy, which is pretty awesome. So we have the black one. It then has this little heart that goes inside and it has a vibration. So it sounds and feels like a heartbeat. It feels like there's another puppy beside them. It has a really strong Velcro. It also comes with a heat pack, so you can put that in beside the heartbeat to mimic the warmth of a body. It's incredibly soothing and he absolutely loves it. So even during the day when he's not sleeping, he likes to play with it. He throws it around. It's like his little buddy, but when it comes to resting, he always snuggles right up to it. So if you're bringing home a new puppy and you like your sleep too, I think that you should definitely get yourself a Snuggle Puppy. Get it before you bring your puppy home and save yourself some sleepless nights. This is not only great for puppies, but also any pet that's anxious. It's made a huge difference. I can't even believe it, and that's my point of view.